Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to view photos stored in iCloud. Now, in order for us to get this done, it is important that you back up your photos from your iCloud, otherwise this won't work. So say for example, you have already done that one. What you can do is just head over to this particular link right here. You can type icloud.com/photos. And then you can just go ahead and visit this particular link right here, and then we're going to go ahead and sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and press that one right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and continue with my account. So this is mine right here. All right, once you're logged in, you should be redirected here, and then you should be able to see all of the photos that I have on my iCloud. So basically here are some of them, and as you can see, we have here 118 photos and then 65 videos. And then say for example you want to check more, you can just go over and click this one right here. For example, if I were to tap on it, you should be able to see here library, memories, and all the other things that you have. And then you also have here media types. For example, if I were to click that one, you should be able to see here everything, including the videos that I have on this device. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.